Hello everyone, we have a Mercedes A-Class 2012. The cars, as you can see, it's front end, headlamp broken, bumper broken completely, fog lamp missing, fog lamp cover is gone, the middle grille is gone, the wing is out of shape, as you can see, little scratch on it here. The guy, he went through insurance. They said to him that car is gonna be total lost because that's gonna cost £2,000 for that little damage. So the guy, he cancelled the claim, and then he said to me, Muhammad, can we do anything with the repair cost and all that? I said, yeah, no problem. I got him second-hand bumper. I got it painted, as you can see. I painted the bumper already. When I bought the bumper, was with fog light and with the grills. I got him a second-hand headlamp as well, on a good shape, a very good condition. All what I have to do now, strip the car and get it back together, and you save a lot of money. So basically, when you have a damage, just spend some time online on the internet, find a second-hand part. Yeah, so we're gonna go section how we fixing the car, how we polishing the car. The job has been completed now. As I showed you from the beginning, he had a very big gap here that's been repaired without painting the wing. The wing is just being polished. Headlamp is second-hand headlamp. The bumper is second-hand bumper with the fog lamp and grille. Second-hand bumper is being painted. It used to be silver when we bought it. Of course, had some marks and scratches. That's being flat and primer paint, so it looked perfect. And as I mentioned from the beginning, that car, the insurance said is gonna cost him £2,000, so that's why they want to write off the car. So basically the car is not even cost him half a price, even less than half of the £2,000. So yes guys, you can save a lot of money if you want to repair your car and get second-hand parts. That would be a good idea. And as I said, you can get same color, just like few scratches, you can polish it, put it back on the car. You don't have even to paint it, it's just the labor to put them on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the video.